Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. We have the Bargain Bead Box, and it's called Holiday Cheer. It says, as the holiday season approaches, we've blended classic green, red, and gold tones for our celebratory collection, packed with gemstones and crystals. Highlights include a hand-wrapped quartz pendant, green quartz round beads, gold accented dolomite, and faceted quartz rondelles, along with festive crystals and handmade cloisonne rounds. Gold finished brass and stainless steel findings complete the set. That sounds exciting. Let's dive in. The bag came in a festive green bag this month. If you're interested in subscribing, you can save $2 off your first box with coupon code Turquoise, and I have an affiliate link in the description below. Make sure you use that link if you'd like to subscribe. All right, first we have number 1, which is approximately 15-inch strand of 8mm green quartz round beads. This is just a dyed stone bead. Very good color for Christmas. We call that a good background bead. Number 2 of 30 pieces, 7.5mm gold finished steel filigree bead caps. Always good to have bead caps. Metal makes a good filler on a necklace too. Get some sparkly in there. Number 3, all of our favorites, 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads, coral red. I actually like that red. I'm not a huge red fan, but I like how dark it is. So, and I don't think that we've seen this color before, and if we have, I don't remember it. So I don't hate them. Okay, I don't hate them. Number 4, approximately 8.5 inches adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord, gold red. Oh, that's cool. I just did a tutorial that hasn't aired yet. With this kind of technique, but not like this. That's cool. I love that. Oh, we're definitely going to be making some bracelets out of that. I don't know. So last year I attempted to do 25 days of Christmas. I think it's just too much. I might do 12 days of Christmas this year, or 12 days of winter or something. Number 5 is a 2-piece set of 32 by 26mm gold finished brass textured diamond pendants. My goodness. Those are cool. Those look like ready for a holiday party. I really like those. They're very thin, but I like them. Number 6, 2 sets, 18.5 by 13mm stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasps in gold. I like how simple those are. I love those. I love those. Too bad I'm still on a spending freeze, or else I would buy like a bajillion of them because I would use them on every project. Number 7, 13.5-inch strand, 4 by 3mm faceted multicolor quartz rondelles. Those are nice. I like those. I don't know if we've seen this from this box before. I know I've gotten a strand like this, but they weren't quartz. They were probably a little bit higher end gemstone, but not by much. But these are really pretty. I like that you can use them all together or separately. I think the yellow is my favorite. Number 8, 5 pieces, 10mm handmade cloisonne enamel and brass floral round beads. Love those. I love cloisonne. Those would be really cute on this bracelet. Number 9 is a 5-piece 10mm crystal faceted barrel beads, coral red AB. I love this shape. We're seeing this shape more and more, not just from them, but other retailers. Gorgeous. I love the luster on that. Number 10, approximately 11-inch strand of 6mm crystal cube beads, green shimmer. These are gorgeous. I love these. I think this is my favorite thing besides this so far. Those look so nice. It's a longer strand too. Number 11, 10-piece strand, 10mm mountain jade, which is in parentheses, dolomite rounds. So dolomite is the actual stone. green gold. So they're green with some gold paint on the outside. Those are cool. Number 12, 19 by 12.5 millimeter golden brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents. Ooh, look how shiny that is. I love it. Even though I don't like snow, this is really pretty. You know, I'm gonna make a bracelet out of that at some point. Number 13, 10-piece strand, 9 millimeter faceted diagonal cube crystal beads in red. We're getting a lot of crystals here. We've already gotten 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 bags of crystals, 3 bags of the dolomite or jade or crystal quartz, whatever. Quartz is whatever they're calling it. But these are cool. I like this shape. I like that. So I just used this shape in a different video that hasn't aired yet, but not like this red. It was a red, but they had like a luster on them. I like that these are just like a ruby, like a blood color. I like those. I'm liking the reds in this box. Number 15, 7.5 inch strand, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads, red gold. Love it. Love it. That is a bright red. That's almost like an orangey red. But I love the half gold. Number 16, 39 by 25 millimeter quartz and 18 karat gold plated copper wrapped donut. That's a lot to say, and that says it's a permanently dyed gemstone item. That is cool. It's a lot of wire work that I don't have to do, but still get a lot of the benefits from. That's gorgeous. I don't know if I'd want to use this in a Christmas thing. Like, I'd want to use this on a regular thing. That's really pretty. I love the wire wrapping. That makes me want to do it. I know a couple of people said last month that we continue to get red boxes. I think the reds have been different. So I'm not really like complaining because I like this. And I think it's very holiday specific. Number 17. I missed number 14. I'll come back to that. Number 17, 40 millimeter enameled geometric medallion pendant, red gold. Is there a hole in this? Oh, there is. I couldn't see it. It's kind of busy. This is cool. It's very thin. It's very thin. I would maybe attach it in front of something else because it's going to bend and it's going to bend out of shape. But I think it's pretty. I just, not the best because it's so thin. And then last but not least, number 14, I missed earlier, is 40 pieces, 4 by 3.5 millimeter gold finish, solid brass spacer beads. Very cool. I like those. Those are good spacers. Love the box. Favorite things. This. What's the other thing? This. And I really, really liked the cubes. I liked pretty much everything, but I think these were my 3 favorites. Let me know what your favorites were. We're going to obviously see some of this stuff coming up in I'm thinking 12 days of Christmas. I might just finish the 25 days of Christmas from last year. I stopped on number 16. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Again, if you want to subscribe, use coupon code Turquoise for $2 off your first box at the affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.
Oh, where's your toy? Go get your toy. Where's the toy? Where's the toy? Where'd you put it? Oh, you're done playing toys? Oh, okay. That was enough, huh? That was enough. Good girl. You're a good girl. Yes.